This is really helpful if, for example, you're using Excel and want to be able to send an email containing some of your spreadsheet data. Rather than having to keep switching back and forth between the apps, you can now have your spreadsheet open on one side of your screen and Outlook open on the other side, so you can see both at the same time and write your email accordingly. Keep in mind that not all apps support this feature, so if Split View doesn't work for you, it's probably because the app doesn't support it. If this is the case, you can use something called Slide Over instead. It's similar to Split View, but part of the main app will be covered up by the secondary one. We'll take a look at this in a moment. Let's have a look at how to use Split View. First, open one of the apps you want to use. I'm going to open Excel. Now gently drag your finger up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the dock. Don't swipe all the way up, just enough to show the dock. Drag the second app you want to open up to the left or right of the screen, like this. You can make one app wider than the other by dragging this slide bar. You can now easily compose your email while scrolling around in Excel to find the figures you need. When you're finished and you want to exit out of Split View, just drag the black divider to either side of the screen. Both apps will go back to full screen and you can switch between them as usual in the app switcher by dragging up halfway from the bottom of the screen. It's worth knowing that you can also use Split View with the same application, such as with Outlook, so that you can see your calendar and your emails side by side. It's exactly the same process, just open Outlook as normal and swipe up to reveal the dock. Drag Outlook over to the edge and tap the calendar at the bottom. To return to normal, slide the black bar to the edge of the screen. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss new videos, and do check out the rest of our iPad tutorials in this playlist for helpful iPad tips and tricks.